आमचे फेवरान जाले जाल्यार डम्प्स
Altele. Dumps are, it is not called mining has started in Goa, only the removal of the extracted ore which is kept will be sold and some money will come to the state coffers.
आता 6 ऑफशोर आहा न्हू फाल्यां कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्सार कोणी आयलो बेसल एप्लाय केलो विल यू गिव परमिशन
Seventh one no,
आणि
only
घेवपाचो
6.
ओनली 6 नो
आणि
मोर
घेवपाचो
नो मोर
They allow to replace those vessels.
Replacement of vessel is allowed,
विथ अ बिगर साइज ऑल्सो
a little bigger size, yeah.
सो रिप्लेसमेंट घेवपाचो
With bigger
न्ही
tables.
घेवंक शकता न्ही.
घेवपाचो की नाही
With bigger tables or more tables.
See, gambling area increase करी जाल्यार तेका सुबेज आहा tax 40 crores कितें आहा ते highest slab counts.
40 करोड़
So whoever wants to pay more money, let them pay more. Casino policy for the state of Goa. So that also is pending, which this chief minister has to take up. But first, I think priority for this present chief minister, Dr. Pramod Samant, is mining. So the day mining starts, he will start thinking about this. Otherwise, the people of Goa will think that CM is framing policies for casino and not framing policies for our dependent, that is mining and mining dependence, allied activities. So for him the first priority is mining, and after mining he will take up this issue because this is very important issue as far as tourism of the state of Goa is also concerned, because a lot of tourists who come, Indians who come here and also some foreigners, they also come for this particular activity.
So when you are proposing this
Casino is also a part of tourism activity in Goa and India. This has to be, we have to agree to this. A lot of people do not agree to this. But as a stakeholder of tourism industry, I agree to this.
Mining corporation on that shifting of the casino that you had already received.
See, we have already given permission for shifting of casino. Now it is with the owner of the casino, and COP has already given them marking everything. Let the owner decide whenever he wants to shift.
where
But
are
is
you
there any-
relocating
any
In
deadline?
River Mandavi only.
there only
River Mandavi on
so,
the other
so
side.
when you are proposing to stop them offshore casino
No, this is, I'm not proposing to stop.
no you
them.
said no government policy to come with land casino
This is, it will be phased out in a longer term. You cannot tell them to
no
go
no
out
but how
tomorrow.
many years no?
Supposing they say, okay, you come, go on the land. So it will take from that day, they should be given minimum 7 long years. You just cannot tell them.
shift?
Yeah, they have to build a casino, no? So you talk on both ways. It's not only casino which is opposed in Goa, or it is not only any other activity which is opposed in Goa.
like an IT.
Everything is opposed. You see, Goa would have had IT technology coming those years, so which was opposed. Till now it is opposed. So everything is opposed. Don Bosco is opposed. See, let us understand that what exactly we want in Goa. There has to be, people have to say that, okay, these are the things which we will allow, and we will see that nobody opposes. But democracy is so much, freedom of expression is so much, that anything and everything is being opposed. We are all over here with technology and gadgets. We all want mobile with good connectivity, or tower is opposed. So this is our state of affairs.
As far as shifting of casino from Mandavi is concerned,
We are not shifting it out of Mandavi.
Now it is a case to case basis. जे पुढे येतात त्यांना परमिशन देतात.
No, only those people who are there. No new casinos are allowed.
how many are there offshore
Case to case
5
basis. No?
6. No?
6 are offshore
6 offshore casinos are there. So we have given only one person to shift on the other side. In River Mandavi, not on land. So now people are thinking the land, river also belongs to them. Like land
other
belongs to
side
them.
means you going to Bittona
No.
where side
On the other side, there only. There is ample of place. Nobody is getting disturbed. But it is finally, आमकां एक हें आहा ती सगळे गोंयकार आमी, पण आमकां एक कितें तरी ओपोज करपाक जाय, कितें तरी येता ओपोज करप ताका. आनी जो तर बरें जाता पळय त्या इंडस्ट्रीनसून कितें आसूं तें, when education is भायर बरें जालें जाल्यार कोण म्हणना after 3-4 years
No, what is the
बरें जालें
what is the apprehension of those people? They must
There
have
is no
given-
apprehension.
They must have given you some this, no?
no nothing I have no letter
Not received anything from.
there is no apprehension so somebody says oppose means oppose eventually nothing is happening in writing eventually there is no policy for casino which is come up for that purpose right now it is offshore casino policy in Mandavi river or whatever any rivers of Goa wherever the permission is given
Is there a policy for offshore casino?
offshore casino policy no? That is why there is this rivers in rivers any river of Goa casino ship is allowed we give a ship license casino license is given by the home department
But is it only one or everybody will go following this?
see I am talking about future
Future.
now future what will happen I don't know our chief minister's priority and झाला तुका पहिले तो म्हणटा till मायनिंगाचे हे रिजॉल्व जाल्या बगर आपण दुसरे पॉलिसी कसल्यो करिना